Are you tired of ants taking long walks in your sugar packet? Well, this is basically happening to me at the moment, and I thought it would be nice to show you all how do I get rid of them. So you'll take a little clove in this way and put them inside the packet. Once you have done putting all the clove that you had in your hand inside the packet, don't put too much. You can just put little, and all you have to do is shake the packet so that the clove gets mixed inside the sugar. Now in this way your sugar taste will not turn bad. Don't think that the clove taste will be caught up in the sugar. No, I do this to my sugar container as well. When I feel ants do not like to go out of it, I just throw in a few 4 or 5 cloves inside it, and that's it. The ants are all gone. So basically the clove can be reused after that once you have the sugar container empty from ants. Found this hack useful? Then please do share it, and for more, do not forget to subscribe.